When direct light is blocked by an object or subject, it creates a cast shadow. Cast shadows usually have sharp or hard edges depending on the proximity of the surface on which the cast shadow is being cast. The further the cast shadow gets from the subject creating it, the lighter the shadow grows and the softer the edge. This is because of the reflected light bouncing into it. The edges of the cast shadow will change depending on the type of light casting it. Direct light or hard light casts shadows which are hard edged, and diffuse light or soft light or reflected light casts shadows which are soft edged. The shape of the cast shadow is determined by the terminator. For your assignment, you will draw a circle and shade it evenly with a 2H pencil. Then using your kneaded eraser, you will pick out a highlight. You will then mark the center light area by putting a ring around it with the 2H pencil. Then you will put in the light form light, midtones and dark form light using the 2H and HB pencils respectively. The change in tonal value is subtle. You will then use the HB pencil to draw in the terminator or shadow line. You will then add the core shadow using the 2B pencil. Then you will shade the remaining part of the circle in the shadow using the HB pencil. This is the form shadow. Now in this form shadow area, you will use the kneaded eraser to draw in the reflected light. Using the terminator, you will draw in the cast shadow and shade it in with the HB pencil. You will do this exercise every day. If you have got any value from this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more.